Alrighty, we're going to start with the number 5, Lilies in Gouache. In my little envelope, I've got one of these for each of the projects. How about that for organized? Okie dokie. We are using the same it's like walking and chewing gum. We're using the same artwork from Project 4. There, that's better. I'm back with a little more detail on this. Last week we planned the composition. I just love my organization. We planned our composition with the grids and everything, and I gave you plenty of images for you to use to make a different composition if you want to, because Lord knows there are no limits. List of supplies. And some of these are my make-readies, or, you know, the ones I worked from. That one might be one of them. So, this week we're going to paint it. And we are going to paint the first one. Or, that, I slipped, didn't I? We're going to paint this first session on Fabriano Artistico paper. And with artist quality watercolors. This week we're just going to do the flowers. And I do hope you'll paint along with me, because you'll learn a lot, I think. You can watch it once and then go back and watch it with your paints. And let me know what you end up with, because I would really, really like to see these. And same downloadables as last week. So if you did last week, you can get them. If you did not do last week's with the composition, now would be a good time to download that, since we're going to be using it. So that's all I have to say about that. Goodbye. Alrighty, we are in Project 4C today. Now, we did the yellow lilies last week, and you remember this is on Fabriano Artistico paper. I gave you a link in the description box on the printable or downloadable where I get this 6x9 sheet of Fabriano. I get it from Jerry's Artorama in a trial pack, and they give 4 sheets for $2.30 or something like that, and they've been out of stock. I sure do hope they come back. So $2.30 ends up, I mean, pennies over 50 cents a piece, and it is their Fabriano Artistico, the artist paper, and it's a pretty good size. So that said, if they get back in stock on it, buy some more. What was I going to say? Today we're going to do color. We're going to do the background. These are all watercolors. And I plotted them in Photoshop and then just played with a few dark colors to see what I could get. Now my goal on this was to see how smooth I could get the background. And I'm real happy with the way it turned out. So I'll show you how I did that in this week's video, number 4C. Get your brushes wet. Come on, paint with me.